This skimmer I bought the other day is doing a pretty good job. Just cleaned this thing out about 5 hours ago, to be honest. It rained real good. All kinds of grass in here. I got some pool socks on the way, so it should help us out a little bit more. But check this guy out. It's working pretty good. Unfortunately, missed a couple. I think does a pretty good job. It's an Inotech, but I haven't had to skin the pool in a week almost. I still got to sweep it, but it's doing a pretty good job. Sorry about it being so dirty, but it's rained the past 2 days. Here's that pump and stuff I bought last year. Well, the pump's old, the filter's new. It's still holding up really well. But yeah, working pretty good for us.